favorite dog fashionista. Ichigo and Kevin are wearing a royal blue costume with crown and cape for the white face Santa Cruz. Let's give it up for Ichigo and Kevin. Thank you very much. Number 6, Ichigo. Please get ready. Number 30, Coco. Coco is a Japanese Shih Tzu breed. He loves to play and loves to play ball and home with his brother. He loves vegetables like carrots, squash. He likes to play with other pets and very with other people. He loves to play with fur mom as well. I believe the costume is made of materials na ginamit. Cord. Thank you very much. Number 13, Coco. Next, we have number 15, Cheers. 15, Cheers. Ayan, ating
aso.
Okay, number 15, Cheers. A corgi wearing a summer outfit. Ayan. Diba? Yung sinasabi nila, ang corgi daw mga royal, kasi yung breed ni Queen Elizabeth, mga corgis. Mamilagay natin sa stocking table. Dito po, patang natin. Ayan. So we have number 15, Cheers. Thank you very much. Next, we have number 17, Luffy. Luffy? Wala na daw. Hindi na daw po. How about number 18, Cassie?
Babae.
Babae. Okay. Next, we have number 19, Valentino. 19, Valentino. Wala din. How about number 20, Bubbles? Anong number si sir? Babae. Wala rin Bubbles? Okay, next we have number 25, Moki. Ayan, ang ating first time participant. So that's all for male pets. Yun na po yung male natin. Can request all male pets and we have a group picture. Starting off with Echo, Ichiko, Coco, Cheers, and Boki. Can we have a group picture, please?
Two categories.
Yung isa pala sa female.
Hey!
And po, sige po, mami. Please join. Ayan. So, syempre, sa ating Santa Cruz na. Hindi mo na makakuha. Thank you very much. Judges, are we ready for female pets? Mamaya na lang natin pipili ng time to deliberate. Please get ready. Female pets on that side. So we have Raraka Papasi 2 and 3.